Completing your setup on Uber after signing up is essential to start using the app effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you have everything ready to go. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for verification email from Uber. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account. This step is crucial for account security and communication. Step 2. App payment method. Open the Uber app and navigate to the payment section in the menu. Here, you can add a credit card, debit card, or other payment options. This will allow you to pay for rides seamlessly. Step 3. Set your profile. Go to the account section in the app and select Edit Profile. Fill in your personal details, including your name and phone number. This information helps personalize your experience and ensures you receive important notifications. Step 4. Choose your preferred ride options. In the app, you can select your preferred ride options under Ride Preferences. Choose the type of rides you want, such as Uber X, Uber XL, or Uber Comfort, based on your needs and budget. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with the app. Take some time to explore the app's features such as ride history, promotions, and safety options. Understanding how to navigate the app will enhance your overall experience and make it easier to use. Now that you've completed this setup process, you're ready to start using Uber for your transportation needs. Enjoy your rides.